Welcome back to another B-Side video, everyone. We're currently on the way to our second Blurry Nights meet here in Tokyo. I run these with my friend Sotobo Old School. He's a Chiba-based lifestyle photographer and we share the same appreciation for old Japanese cars and the culture around them. Even with the language barrier, we can talk for hours. Anyway, the meet takes place under the Tokyo Expressway in a small parking area that has a reputation for attracting some really cool cars, so let's see how it unfolds. When we arrived, we realised we were sharing the PA with a few of the original Midnight Club members. If you're not familiar, Midnight Club has a long history in Tokyo's car scene, known for their high-speed runs on the one-gun and presence at circuits. This Porsche sitting on Advan GT wheels is really cool. Midnight Club has always been an interesting mix of European and Japanese cars. One of their most well-known original cars was a Porsche, alongside GTRs, 300ZXs, Supras and many more. I really love the way a lot of Japanese people style European cars using a lot of Japanese parts, like these Advan wheels. Whether it still runs or not, this ultra-wide R32 GTR carries the unmistakable one-gun presence. We had some Kyushu cars pull up to the meet, like this really nice GX71 Mark II. Parked up together were two Zs, a Nissan 300ZX Z31 on Panasports and a Nissan 280ZX on RS Watanabe wheels. Hidetora always has the best Advan wheel rotation on his JZX 110 Mark II. Tonight was on a set of AVS Model T5 wheels in chrome. Another beautiful Mark II sitting on a set of albino fin wheel. This streetcar S15 belongs to a follower who I met on the night. It's powered by a pretty serious 2.2 litre SRVE. He also has a really nice blue Stager, which I'd love to check out next time I'm in Japan. Kakeru's S14 is the perfect street car. The wheels are old Volk Racing CV Pro, which are said to have inspired the iconic GTC wheels we all love. It wouldn't be a car meet in Japan without a bunch of bikes rocking up. I'll cut the music out and let the sounds speak for themselves. Seeing these two period correct Zs under the Tokyo Expressway is such a picturesque sight. This is an interesting one. It's a Nissan Vanette with a custom widebody and aero kit, finished in Datsun inspired colour scheme. This JZX90 Cresta is a perfect example of styling, sitting on a set of well-fitted Weds Kranz Cerberus 2 wheels. The paint, stripped interior, roll cage and big pipes hanging at the back resemble exactly what you would see in the 2000s. You might remember we previously shot Fumi's 180SX when it was all mismatched. Now it's all one solid blue and looking pretty wild. Who doesn't love huge Kaido Racer side exit exhausts? I've seen this C35 Laurel on Instagram for a while now, and really cool to see it in person. I love seeing this 180SX's paint job with the rainbow glitter. The CST-01 Hypers, along with the Origin Aggressive Kit and GT Wing, give this car a perfect stance. It's great to see a lot of Workstein aero kits still floating around. I really stand by SRs in S chassis, but this one gets a pass because it's got a TD06. This GP Sports kitted S14 Koki was quite the sight, sitting on what looks to be very rare GDR offset Racing Heart CP03 wheels. Tucked at the back of the PA were more midnight club cars, including this old school style A70 Supra, featuring some very cool parts. I don't know much about bikes, but this is pretty sweet. The level of detail that goes into these, especially with the paint, is insane. It's good to see that drift cars, especially S chassis, are still alive and kicking in Japan. It's especially cool to see a lot of the younger generation guys drawing inspiration from the 90s and 2000s with styling. There was even this R34 GDR that pulled up with Dubai number plates. And just like that, it's our last night in Japan. Blurry Nights Kami was a success, along with Daikichi Cup Drift event we ran as well. I feel so lucky to be able to do these things with my friends, but looking back, I probably didn't film as much as I wanted to, but I'm still figuring out how I want to document these trips. Hopefully next time it'll feel a little more structured. We spent the last day with Daikichi and Taka-chan. They came to Tokyo to hang out and run a few errands together, before heading back up to Saitama to head to an izakaya for dinner and chill. In true Tokyo fashion, it gave us the most beautiful sunset ever to say goodbye. This izakaya is well known for sushi and sashimi. They keep all kinds of pet fish outside in tanks and containers, which is pretty cool to see. Goodbyes are always hard when you build friendships like this, but it just makes you look forward to the next time you see each other. Anyway, thanks for watching another episode. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one.